Hello creative writers. In this video I'm going to be exploring descriptive writing, one of the most fun parts of the AQA English language exam. And this is your chance to paint pictures with words and to wow the examiner. So you start with sensory details. So instead of saying the garden was beautiful, try saying the roses glowed red under the golden sunlight while a soft breeze carried the sweet scent of lavender. Engaging the senses makes your writing unforgettable. Next, use similes and metaphors. For example, her laughter sparkled like fireworks. This creates a vivid image that sticks in the reader's mind. And remember, show, don't tell. Instead of saying that someone is scared, describe their trembling hands or racing heartbeat. Sound exciting? Well, our guide will help you with all of these.